Hello, Lower Elementary. Now we're going to look at how to put together our stamp game. In your binder, you will find the pieces to your stamp game. Some of you may have them stored in a different place, but you should have a stamp game. You have a sheet with units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. And look, they're just the shape of the stamps. I have another sheet with hundreds and tens and thousands and units. And then we have our sheet with our Skittles. Some of you may remember the flat circles in the stamp game, and we use those to represent 0. Now let's take a look at how to put them together. You will have a storage system for your stamp game. This storage system has a basket, and inside the basket you can see ones or units, tens, hundreds, and thousands, just like our stamp game has units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. You even have a container for your Skittles and your discs or your zeros. Carefully cut the stamps and place them in the proper storage tub. So the units will go with the units, or the ones. The tens will go with the tens. And you want to be careful. You don't want to cut these up. Follow the line the best that you can. And keep going until you have cut and sorted all of your stamps and your Skittles. When it's time to use the stamp game, I can find my work mat with my operations tab, because we use the stamp game for operations. Now, your teacher may have put it in a different location, and that's fine. You'll need your work mat, and you will need your stamps. Skittles aren't always used, so if they're not used, I can set them to the side. But here you see we have units and units, tens and tens, hundreds, hundreds, thousands, thousands. You may choose to keep your containers in your basket, or maybe you want to take them out and set them up right underneath or on top so that you can reach for them when you're doing your works. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units. I could go ahead and put my tens here, my hundreds here, and my thousands at the top of the thousands. When I'm finished working, I'll make sure to remember to put my work mat back in a safe location. Make sure my lids are on tight and all of the parts of my stamp game are together and organized so they're ready for the next time I need them.